In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Claude isn't working right now. We will move through a short checklist that goes from the quickest fixes to slightly deeper troubleshooting, so you can get back to work without wasting time. First, try a hard refresh of the page. This forces your browser to reload everything from the server instead of reusing anything cached. On Windows, hold Ctrl and press F5. On a Mac, hold Command and Shift, then press R. Make sure the browser tab with Claude open is in focus when you do this. Give it a few seconds to reload. Then test again. If that doesn't help, confirm there isn't a broader outage. Open your browser and search for Claude server status. Check the official status page and cross-reference with a third-party monitor like Down Detector. If you see a spike in reports or a posted incident, the best course is to wait for the service to recover. If everything looks normal, continue with the next steps. Next, open Claude in a private browsing window. In Google Chrome, open an incognito window. In Microsoft Edge, open an in private window. Private mode runs without your regular extensions and uses a fresh session, which helps rule out interference from add-ons or stale cookies. Sign in and try the same action that failed before. If private browsing helps, your regular session may be the culprit. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser. Go to your history or privacy settings, locate the options for cookies and cached images and files, and clear them. Note that you will be signed out of websites and may need to log in again. Fully close and relaunch your browser afterward to apply the change. Now check for extension conflicts, temporarily disable any ad blockers, script blockers, privacy filters, or third-party AI helper extensions. These can intercept or modify network requests that Claude relies on. Pause them for this site or turn them off briefly. Refresh the page and test. Remember to re-enable them once you've finished troubleshooting. Finally, refresh your account session. Click your profile icon, sign out completely. Close the tab, then reopen Claude and sign back in. This renews your authentication and clears any stuck tokens that might trigger the error. Work through these steps in order one of them typically resolves the issue. If the problem persists after all of this and the status page shows no incidents, revisit the status page periodically for updates. Thanks for watching.